Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have AirPods Pro or AirPods Max and that they're charged and paired. Once connected, make sure your device's Bluetooth is active and the AirPods appear as the audio output. Open Control Center or Settings Bluetooth and tap the information icon next to your AirPods. You want easy access to noise controls before enabling active noise canceling. This sets a stable connection and prevents interruptions while you switch modes and adjust fit for the best seal. You press and hold the volume slider in Control Center until the device shows listening modes. Then choose noise cancellation to engage active noise canceling immediately. For AirPods Pro, run the ear tip fit test in Settings Bluetooth AirPods to confirm a proper seal. This improves ANC effectiveness. If you wear AirPods Max, ensure the headband sits snugly and the ear cups fully cover your ears. Once done, try switching to transparency briefly to compare and make sure ANC meets your comfort. You finish by testing ANC with music and in real-world noise to confirm it's reducing background sound as expected. If noise cancellation won't enable, try resetting the AirPods. Place them in the case, close, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect. Make sure your device OS and AirPods firmware are up to date because software mismatches can disable ANC. If problems persist, restart your phone, test with another device, and only then consider a factory reset or contacting support for hardware inspection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.